Hi guys, this is Otto from Growth and Mastery, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube channel. Now this is for my friends Steve and Rosie, really good friends of mine. They are taking videos and making great videos. They have Rosie has a great personality. Steve, I think it's her cameraographer. They want to do a food channel, and this is a way to do it. Why not put it into, instead of Facebook Live, do the same video, but you can post it on YouTube. You can link it to Facebook and post that same video from YouTube into Facebook. You create your brand, build a channel like that, build a following. You can monetize and make money like that. So here we go, guys. First, we get on the computer. So first thing we want to do is go to YouTube. If you're not logged in, you want to create an account. If you don't have an account, you have to create one. So on the right hand side up here, top right hand side, you see sign in. If you know your password, you can sign in. Here you have the choice of accounts that you already have. If you don't have any, then use a new account. Now if you already have a YouTube account, just use your regular YouTube account. Okay, you just sign in with your regular YouTube account. If you don't have one, if you don't have any YouTube account, usually it's set up with a Gmail. Okay, so you're gonna create a new account and do it that way. You're actually gonna create a Gmail account, and YouTube is owned by Google. Google puts everybody together, everything, all their apps together. So once you get a Google account, your YouTube account is going to be linked to that. So if you're already logged into Google and to Gmail and all that, you're going to be able to just log in. So in this case, so you can create an account, go through the motion right there. Once you have an account, I'm going to go into my regular Gmail account, sign in there, enter my password. Okay, now this is going to be my Gmail, my regular account, and you go on the right hand side, and with this little icon, this little circle right here, just a little red circle right there, this is the icon that you want to do it on. You already have an account, it'll show you your account, your email right here. All right, if you happen to have a different channel already made, you can go to switch account, and whatever accounts that you have already, you can set up multiple accounts. So I have a Growth and Mastery. If I wanted to do a cooking channel, I can add an account. Okay. If I wanted to do a workout, I can add another account here. Okay. So here you want to add a channel, I should say. You want to go click on the icon there to add a channel. Go to settings. Okay, it's free to set up an account, set up a channel, I should say. So under accounts, you can go right down there. It's got my name on there. It should have your name or whatever name you put on there, and you can add or manage your channels. All right, so you click on that. Now this is going to be a page where it's going to show all your channels that you have. Okay, you don't have to create a whole new account and log into a whole new Google account and Gmail and all that. Everything's linked to this one Gmail account. So my regular Gmail account, I added this Growth and Mastery, and this is my personal ones. I don't have 0 subscribers here, but I have a small amount of subscribers, a few videos here. It tells me how many videos. Now I want to create a new channel. So if all you had is this, and if you don't have your business channel yet, create a new channel. Hit the plus sign here. Now what's your brand you want to set up for this purposes? I'm going to just say, let's say I'm going to call it Yesi Travel. So my wife Isabella and I, we want to set up a Travel channel. We've been talking about that. So I'm going to call it Yesi Travel. As a matter of fact, you can change it later on if you want to. Okay, so don't worry about if you want to change it. So hit create. Okay, now it's going to get you to this area right here. Notice it has got, because we call it Yesi Travel, now the icon here has a Y on there. Don't worry about what you see up here. This part right here is TubeBuddy. It's something that I subscribe to, and you can add it to your YouTube channel if you want. I subscribe to it, and I can talk to you about it in a different video. But it helps you with marketing or with researching what you want to upload on your channel. Right here, this is home, trending, subscriptions. You have YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio. Okay, they're talking about they had an old style YouTube Studio. Now they have a new type of YouTube Studio on there. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. This is where you're gonna upload videos. It's gonna give you some tutorials, some news. You can have channel analytics on the right side. If you start having loading videos, it'll give you the analytics, how many subscribers you would have. Currently 0, you just created this on the last 28 days, and percent of views and watch time per hours, top videos and all that. So that's all you need to do to set up. Now to upload videos, go to YouTube itself. We're in a YouTube studio. Let me go to YouTube videos. Let's go back to YouTube. Let's see. Let's just go back to YouTube. There you go. Okay. Now you're signed in. Whatever you do, you're signed in anyway. Now here, you want to make sure that you're on the channel you just created. Okay. You don't want to be, okay, this is Yesi Travel. Remember, when you're in YouTube, whatever likes and whatever videos you see in the history and all that is going to show on the Yesi Travel, on the one that you just created. If you want to switch accounts, go back to your personal account. YouTube will give you a list of things that you've watched in the past. Okay, and I give you all recommendations on things that you've watched recently in the past. You have a history of what you've done in the past, and all of that. So I'm going to show you a little bit about my own business channel. So again, I want to switch accounts. Say you're in your business channel, you have a few videos uploaded. So in my business account, this is what I might have. I don't really use my business account, so they have random stuff or what they recommend. But what I do want to see is my studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. What do I have here? Okay, here we go. Here's my dashboard on my YouTube Studio. Here we have on the channel analytics, for example, 75 current subscribers, 2 in the last 28 days. Lately, I haven't really been putting in any videos at all. So the key to YouTube really is to consistency. I'm putting YouTube videos all the time. Okay, I haven't been doing good about that, but I definitely know how to set one up. Very easy, guys. It's free and all that. So summary of views up 12%, watch time hours about 17%, and my top videos are these. These are some of my top videos. You can go to videos, look at the videos you have. You can mark them, you can edit them, and do different things. You can look at playlists that you might have set up for your YouTube channel. If you want to create a new playlist right here, and I have some videos called from Ecuador when I went to visit, so I created a playlist. They're all in my same channel. All these videos are in my channel, okay? But I added a playlist and I group in all the videos that I want to group in into from Ecuador. I put them in here. I actually have more. I can add even more videos into for Ecuador. Self-development. I put in a bunch of videos on self-development here. I don't have all my videos on self-development here, I don't think, but I can keep adding videos. Whenever you have somebody searching your channel, they can actually go into playlists and see what kind of videos you have. If you have different categories of videos, I recommend you though is you stay with one category, meaning if you're a cooking channel, you're a cooking channel, you're not something else. If you're a workout channel, stay with workouts. That's it, guys. And what I wanted to show you is a regular, let's go back to the regular YouTube. Very easy to upload videos, very easy. Once you're on YouTube, all you gotta do, guys, is click this little video. You want to upload your own video, okay? Upload video, and you have this setting right here, okay? All you gotta do is select files, click here or here. You select files from your computer, and it's going to go to your hard drive and select any files you want and upload your video. It'll take depending on the size of the video, it'll take a few minutes to set up a video. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. You'll be able to upload a video into YouTube, and it'll walk you through it and tell you what you want to do. If you want more details about that, I can set up another video. You just let me know in the comments below, and I'll set up another video. So there you go, guys. That's how you set up a YouTube channel. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming up with this and other subjects. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you like this video? Was there something missing? Would you like to know more about setting up a YouTube channel? Tell it to me in the comments below. And as always, I want you to grow and master your life.